Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in a challenge called Fall Wreath Challenge. And this challenge is hosted by Arilis from My Happy Home and from Janie over at Deco Easy. And in this challenge we are to create our own fall wreath, and we had to use one thrifted item. And I'm going to leave a link below to Jan's channel and also to Aria's channel below. And I ask all you to go over and check out their channel, and also check out all the other participants that's doing this challenge too. And so I'm going to get started, and I hope you be blessed. Okay, I'm going to go over the items that I'm going to be using for my wreath. I'm going to be using this grapevine wreath that I had on my door. I took everything off of it. This is the item that we had to purchase from a thrift store. I was able to find this lovely pumpkin, and on the back it was for at Goodwill for $3.25. I paid the $3.25 because it was not half price. It wasn't color coded that day, and I knew that it was perfect for the wreath, or for the collaboration. So I went and paid it, and it's very nice. It's wood with a little orange and a little glitter on it, and then it's orange in the center. This is actually metal, and then this is wood again. So this is the very nice wreath, and I thought it was perfect. So I said $3.25. I'll go ahead and pay it. And I purchased and I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this. I just want to show you some of the things I purchased for it. And this is just some leaf, and this was $2.99 that I purchased from Michael's, and it was 40% off. And then this is another one that it was $1.99, and this was 40% off that I purchased from Michael. And I purchased this pumpkin. I thought it was perfect with the pumpkin. I thought this would be perfect for a bow. And this is $1 from Dollar Tree. And then I have some over here that I purchased last year that I found in my bin, and it was $4.99 from Hobby Lobby. And this one, I think this was $2.49 from Hobby Lobby. So I purchased these at the end of the season last year. So I don't know what I'm going to use, but I just want to share with you some of the things that you're probably going to see on here. And this, I did purchase this year, and this was $1.99. This is from Michael's, and that was 40% off. So I don't know what else I'm going to do, but I just want to share with you my item that I needed from the Goodwill, which is thrift store. So this is it, and I'm not gonna go through the whole wreath. I'm just gonna put it together and then bring it back to you all. Okay, everyone, this is the finished product of the wreath. I used the pumpkin and put that pumpkin in the center. It was a little difficult. It would not glue to the grapevine wreath, so I had to take some wire and actually pull wire and hook it to the sides, and it stayed that way. I had to use 4 wires and hook it to the metal that was on there. So I really like the way it came out, though. I used the colors around the pumpkin, leaving it traditional, and I used just a set of the green leaves down there, and I took some leaves and cut them and just used leaves all the way around the left side of the wreath. And then I put a nice pumpkin bow ribbon that I had found at Dollar Tree, and then at the top I found this down in my box for the fall. So I put that in the front, and then I found another little thankful sign that I had from last year, and I put that over to the side. And then I just glued another leaf, really just to cover up the wires that I had to use to hold the large pumpkin inside. The same thing down here, just covering up the wires to hold that pumpkin inside. And I just stuck with the traditional orange and burgundy and red colors, and here go a nice little pumpkin and a gourd on the top with some berries. And then I used the wreath holder that I had from last year that says blessings with some leaves on it, so it goes right along with the leaves that I'm using throughout the wreath. And I threw a little piece of corn over there, and the pumpkin also has a little green leaf on the top of there. And I just love the way it came out. It's very colorful. It's very traditional. And my next wreath, I'm not going to be so traditional, but this one came out really pretty. And I really thought it would be a good idea to stick with the traditional colors, since the pumpkin already had the orange and the greens and the leaves and everything. So I just stuck with the, just letting that pumpkin be my inspirational piece to follow along with the rest of the wreath. But I really like the way it came out. I hope you all like it. Please leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you join the Deals with Lady P family. And I just want to say again, thanks again for watching. Thanks for all your support. I appreciate you all, love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Bye bye.